2014's cumulative growth shows that the economy expanded by an estimated 3.6%, an increase in Belize's GDP. For 2015, imports for January and February have increased by over $30 million compared to the same period last year.
In January and February of this year, Belize imported goods totaling $314.5 million. This represents an increase of $35.2 million or 12.6% from January and February of last year. Largest increases were observed in imports going to the commercial free zones and export processing zones. Imports to the commercial free zones grew by $16 million, due largely to increased purchases of cigarettes, while imports to the export processing zones rose by $11.2 million due to a spike in shrimp feed purchases. Mineral and fuel lubricants, which include fuels, had the sharpest decline of $13.3 million. This drop is a reflection of falling world fuel prices. In fact, when barrels of 2014 were compared with barrels of 2015 within the same period, it was obvious that low fuel prices were the contributor to that decline.
Consumer goods like food and clothing accounted for over 18% of the imports. The United States continues to be the largest import market.
The U.S. continues to be Belize's largest source of imports, as in January and February of this year, Belize imported $91.7 million worth of goods from America. This represented 29.2% of total imported goods in Belize. 12.2% or $38.3 million worth of goods were imported from Central America, while 11.4% of Belize's imports came from China.
Exports for this year are already less than $10 million compared to last year. Citrus, banana, sugar, and marine products have increased, and Belize's biggest markets are the European Union, followed by the U.S., CARICOM countries, and Central America.
Receipts from goods exported in January and February of this year were valued at $79 million. This represents a decrease of $12.3 million or 15.6% from January and February of last year. This decline was due mostly to a $20.7 million drop in crude petroleum exports. Again, such a drop was reflective of falling fuel prices worldwide. Offsetting this decline slightly were Belize's major exports. Banana exports grew by $1.9 million, citrus grew by $1.5 million, while sugar and marine grew by $1.2 million.
Reporting for News 5, I'm